My name's Mike Smith from Marion, Ohio.
Doug Guthrie from Marion, Ohio. I run the operation for Smith Farms Restoration.
It's a 72 4320 front wheel assist. It's documented it's yellow from the factory. There was only 3 of them that were painted yellow from the factory like that, and they were originated new to Fresno, California, and they used them on the highway department out there.
And after they was traded in from the state departments, the dealerships repainted them green so they could resell them to the local area farmers. When we tore this tractor all apart, she was all yellow underneath all the components. This particular tractor, being as it is front wheel assist, took a little longer. We had about 500 hours in it, a little over 110 days work time. The tractor was in pretty nice shape, but we did strip it all down, go through it, go through the front end. We changed out the rear axles so we can put them in our semi-trailer enclosed. With the wide axles you can't do that, so that takes a little bit longer. There was some patchwork, welding work done to it, sectioned some stuff out, rebuilt the fenders on it, new wiring harness, rebuilt all the hydraulic systems from front to rear, went through the brake valves, ran the valves on the top of the motor, everything checked out good there, new front seals, water pump, belts, hoses, lights of course. So the tractor is probably one of the nicest starting tractors that he has in his collection. It's just a 4320. There's something about them engines with a turbo on it. They're just a sweet sounding engine and nice tractor to drive.